Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Today I'm gonna unbox and review HIMI round brush set. For the first time I'm using HIMI products. Like, I don't have HIMI colors, but I have now HIMI round brush. So let's unbox it and let's see how it looks like. For the first time I'm doing it, so let's start. This is too tight. Wow, I'm so happy. This is the box. I'm so happy that they did a roll wrapped, like, look at this, for this bubble wrapping. You can just pop this up. So let's open it. I'm so excited. I'm really excited, and yes, I wanted to buy this brush for so long and finally I did it. I'm so happy. Wow. This is the brush set. This is the brush. Open it. They have something like this to open this box. It will help us to open it. So here it is. Let's keep it aside. Here we got 5 brushes. Okay. Let's keep it aside too. So these are 5 brushes that we got. Let's count it from small. This one is number 5. I hope you. This is number 5. This is number 9. And yes, we also have number 6. This is number 10. And this is number 12. So
let's put them into water vase. This is 5, this is 10. I mean, this is 5, this is 6, this is 9, this is 10, and this is 12. So I'm happy that they did it, something like this. Oh, that brush is so good. Like, I'm really loving it. I'm really liking the fine tips. Like, look at the sharp of the brush tip. It will help us to do the details. So let's do now swatches. Like, let's see how it will work with colors. So at first I'm gonna use number 5 brush.
I think I'm done with this video right now because it's quite getting long. I have done the swatches and I have reviewed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna like, you will want to buy it because I think this is good and it's amazing because for this thick brush, the dual plumber brush is quite good. It can hold much water that like my others brushes are can't hold this much water because those are not this much fluffy. And yeah, so I think that it will help you a lot, my this review. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.